Isi telu kotebu maifenya nebuga funu. Isi yako gejibulu. Oya nebu mao biko tinye kwa maginobo. Isi yako gejibulu. Oya na kwa madwebwe pachalo kwa nyagie. No one can tell who we see tomorrow.
Mary, do you take Obaino as a lovely wedded husband?
Yes, I will.
Obaino, do you take Mary as a lovely wedded wife?
No! Not yet. Obaino, congratulations. I can see you are about exchanging marital vows. There's no ring on your finger. That means not yet, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Obaino the millionaire. Have you told your beautiful bride how you killed our cousin Ima and took his $170,000? And rendered his children fatherless, and now his wife a widow? And congratulations to our beautiful bride. God has saved you from getting married to a murderer.
I'm sorry, sir. I was supposed to take him to the bank to transfer the money for him. It's a devil's handwork, sir. Yes, sir. I'm so sorry, sir.
Devil's handwork, right? Your cousin, Ima, was about leaving this country and asked this fool to give him a ride in the same car he bought for this fool. And that's the story. Now, you all can see that Scorpion stands for justice and fair play. Isn't it? Isn't it?
You're right. You're right. You're correct.
Justice, fair play. That's the meaning of Scorpion.
That's true.
Permit me to take a walk with my friend. Maverick! Which time wait and they do the wedding, take the corners! Which time wait and they do the wedding, Which time wait and they do the wedding,
Scorpion is in the mood now. Eh? Move it! Let's move it! Move it! Hey! Back me!
Fucker. Albino the millionaire. Now carry my bike.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please.
Pick it up. Pick it up.
I'm sorry.
On your head. When then they do the wedding, take the chorus.
Hallelujah.
When then they do the wedding,
Hallelujah.
when then they do the wedding,
Hallelujah.
move it.
I'm sorry, sir.
You all can see that I, Scorpion, peace and fair play.
Hey, Baba, I'm gonna come out. Don't get time. Chiefs. I don't hear everything as it be, Reverend. No wahala.
Okay, yes.
Reverend. We'll handle everything. Any of them say now, me and my boys will come out here. Me and they go house. Yeah, Reverend, no wahala, go inside. Yeah, boys, me will come out here. Go come out. like this. Now, what's the problem again now?
Nice, Mama.
Hey, what you do, Mama?
I don't know what's wrong with her. She's checking her pulse.
Ntuka.
Spider.
You get emergency I want to attend to. My mama, eh? Just take charge of it. Clean your tears, make you talk now. What you do,
I don't know. I don't know if I'm and I met my
Brother, I suggest you rush out to the hospital immediately.
My people, this is the appointed day, the day of joy. Oh, yes. The day we are going to have our new king. Now, we are calling Chief Ephraim Oduku to step aside. Odogu. By the power bestowed on me by the gods.
Go down.
What are you doing?
Go down.
What are you doing? Keep it there. Come. He dey mad. He dey look me. Get up!
Mpagi there. You want to
Come on, move! Fucking people! Why are carrying those people? Make sure you better for them.
Make you take care of Mama. Okay, you understand, eh? She just take her medicine and she's supposed to relax. You know, say her condition, they make her the, eh? Hold on. Betty. You say Betty? So where is it? What?
Brother, what is it?
The new Igwe and the SMO have been kidnapped.
Hey! Who's the one you gonna Akaraya Sako?
Don't do. Go inside. Go take care of Mama. Leave the rest to me. Who get the liver from my town? Come here, come to kidnap people. Okay. I go show una say the gentility.
He dey pet this man? Is he a king? You dey pet a person? Who's that he goes?
Line up for them!
Some people push this he goes.
Line up!
He dey play with
Go. Line up!
Come on.
On that plate to this man here. You go some more can't blow.
this man.
What did they do? Come on.
Are you normal? Are you normal?
Chris.
You dey look me. You. I think say you be spirit. Why you never disappear now? Monkey, chief priest, sabi? Chief priest.
This man. This man. Now why you chief priest though? You know the scene, aye.
Nah, Kodo. I wonder what is still keeping Chief, eh? What is keeping him now?
Don't worry. Chief is coming. He's on his way.
Which chief are you talking about? I mean, which chief made you bring a whole chief priest and myself, king in waiting, humiliating us without regard?
Be sure to shut your goddamn mouth. What? You king? There's only one king in this community, and his name is Chief Okadibo. Daddy? Oh, Daddy?
So it's Chief Okadibo that is behind all these things? Chief Ephraim, don't worry. The gods are with us.
The gods? The gods, Abi? The gods are with us. Give me that go. Give me that go! You fear no mortar.
That's how goes you.
You will understand the difference between a lesser mortar and a higher mortar.
Atakata abuo. Mpokete.
Pagide. Abi? Yes, ma'am.
Atakata abuo.
Igwe came over here, you man.
So, you feel your spirit, Abi? You feel your spirit?
Daddy?
You will know where I come from.
And that is what I am. Okay.
Your spirit, Abi?
Yeah, I know, man.
You know where I come from. You know that I'm the son of Don Miliki the Pope.
Hey, Jimmy.
Moral, yeah. Nobody gets moral like Godfather, yeah. Moral, yeah. Nobody gets moral like Godfather. Chai, Don Miliki the Pope. Sekro.
Yeah?
You will know where I'm coming from.
Man, God. Did that? Did that?
Moral, yeah. Nobody gets moral like Godfather. Child, don't miliki the Pope. I'm your son. Oh!
Or what?
Nah, but this thing.
You get messed about now.
What's going on?
What?
But if I.
Mpagide, Abi, Kodo.
Dada.
Iman, can well. Up Bobby. In case, open our ballot. When I will make I say, S-man do.
No. I'm a mortar.
He said what?
I am a mortar. I'm not a spirit, please. Don't just try it. I am afraid of.
Are you a king?
No, I'm not a king. Who said I'm a king? I am not a king.
Okay, you're not.
I am not a king.
Okadibo is the king.
Chief Okadibo is the king.
Say it again.
I said Chief Okadibo is the king.
Okadibo is the king of the Zimuzo kingdom.
Okadibo is the king of Zimuzo land.
That's what I'm talking about.
Sister, are you sure Mama is going to survive it this time?
Chionoge, nothing will happen to Mama.
I pray. The attack is too serious. It's too serious. I'm scared.
Obioma. Obioma, nothing will happen to Mama. Nothing will happen to Mama.
Ezemo and the new king kidnapped. This is a big slap on the entire people of Zimuzo. But wait a minute. What's this stupid, lousy boy's name, Spider? What was he doing with his group of lazy, stupid vigilante boys? Well, serves them right. I don't sabi. Hello? Akpajo. Tell Ukochirisa they come. Tell Ukochirisa they come. I will come see him. Just tell Ukochiriso. One more time, don't reach for revenge for Angala. Anybody tossing no go ya by force and as my mama die. The thing I promise her, I could do her.
What did do you? What happened? I thought
it's Mama. Mama just woke up and started acting like a mad woman.
Where she now? She does hospital, I mean?
Yes, hospital.
She will sleep for a long time. Let's talk in my office. You can. Mama is going to be fine. Thank you.
Your mother's health condition is quite complicated.
Doctor, I don't understand what you talk about.
Your mother is not suffering only seizure. She is asthmatic, diabetic, and hypertensive.
Hey, doctor! You are a very wicked man.
How do you mean?
How one person won't get all this disease, asthmatic, diabetic, frustration, what do you call them?
Hypertensive.
Whatever. See, what I want to know is say, are you now trying to tell me, say, my mama case no get remedy?
I haven't said anything like that.
So what's the talk?
There is hope.
Waiting they involve.
But it's going to cost you a lot of money.
Forget money, doctor. Forget money. Hope day.
Yes, there is hope.
And I would want to hear that now. Forget money.
What is all this now? Hey, Chifefrem! Chifefrem, stop messing around in my presence.
You make face for me. Eh?
May the gods of our land forgive you all.
You are mad. You hear me? You are absolutely mad. So the gods will forgive you for taking somebody's position? No. The gods will forgive you for stealing somebody's position. I will slap the living daylight out of you.
I believe so much that the gods of this land are not asleep. They are watching you all under Kadibu. Yes.
Huh? Call them. No, take a phone. Call them, let them come. Idiot. I will kill this. I go break this my head though. I will. Oh, Daddy, where is Daddy now? Oh, Daddy. I go kill you.
Yes, man. Chirigodi. Mpagide. Abi. Keyiku kita. Keyiku.
Dada slap him.
Petit.
Dada slap him.
Abi. Mpagide. Abi. Mba. Dori sigeba. Me bunye kitonda mulugo.
Chairman, since morning I never see Chief. Chief never show at all.
I dey wonder. I dey call Tom sef, he need dey pick.
Abi?
Tom need dey pick my call. Tom get mine, need dey pick my call. You call Tom. Tom no pick my call. That boy. Tom no pick your call. Hand go soon touch him. Hand go soon touch him.
Ndalolani agalia bani makachi. Ndalolani agalia bani makachi. Agana neso kwa bologana makachi. Agana neso kwa bologana oh makachi. Give me one chance now, I want to rule you. If you know give me.
Girl, that no do. Huh? Say wait. No be carry come out.
Monsieur, you get that.
No be carry come out.
Eh? X-man,
come on move. I go put bullet for your eye. You hear me?
X-man. Do you know I don't feel that for you?
I go put bullet for your eye.
X-man, are the Chris? Am I mad?
Now you carry Oga come out. We are in.
That's your one. I go put
Hold it. I'm just waking up from sleep. Sorry. I apologize.
Chief, sorry, you owe us no apology.
No, but any offender is entitled to an apology.
Yes, Chief.
Am I forgiven?
Yes, Chief.
Daddy?
Chief, no mention. No try.
Thank you very much. Thank you. So, has that fool surrendered?
Yes, Chief, he has, but Chief, I think he needs something.
He needs what? He's tasking my patience.
Daddy, it's in your hands. Just instruct. We'll cut off his hands and he'll be loyal.
It seems the death of the chief priest did not send enough signal across.
Daddy, you know. Instruct us. Just say it. Spell it. It happens.
Okay. I know what to do.
Daddy?
So relax. Daddy? I know what to do.
Chief. No kwando na nyonsho neshi man. You make mention of that guy that attacked you.
Okay, all right. That's a topic for another day. Are you listening to me? Good. God. Do not make any mistake in this assignment. carry it out with exactitude. Yes. Yes. I await positive result. Yes. Thank you. Take care of yourself. Yes.
Does it mean that Mama's sickness is too serious?
Yes. Yes. She had never been like this before. Never.
I believe that nothing will happen to her. I know that God in His infinite mercy will heal her for us. Stop crying.
I wanted to go to the hospital. To see Mama. I don't know. Bracken refused.
He refused?
He refused. I don't know why.
Then you have to stay back at home. There must be a reason why he refused you coming to the hospital.
No. I want to go. I need to go.
Calm down, Obioma.
I want to go and pray for her.
Obioma, calm down. You know what? I will help you and talk to him, okay? I will talk to him. I will talk to him to allow you and go to the hospital. Don't worry. Yeah?
You sure?
Yes. I promise you that. Ify! Ifoma, what happened? My God, why are you like this? Why are you like this now? What happened? Talk to me now, please. How do you mean, Ify? How do you mean? What? What happened to her? If I want to talk to me, please put yourself together and talk to me, okay? If I don't do this now, Ifoma, please. Please, now calm down. Put yourself together. Let's talk. Ifoma.
Mama is not staring into space and talking like a mad person.
My God.
He's getting her birthday.
Jesus. Why? God. Nothing happened to her. Put yourself together. Calm down first. Nothing happened to Mama. Ifoma, let's talk inside. Put yourself together, please. Please. Okay?
Mama.
My love.
Mama. Mama!
Obioma, come back! Obioma!
Leave me alone!
Let's go back home. Later in the day, you go and see Mama. I promise you, I will allow you.
I must see my mother today. Leave me alone.
You will go, but not now. If you go to the hospital now, there is nothing you will do other than crying.
I want to pray for her. I must pray for her.
Obioma, you will. But the clothes you're wearing is not neat. Let's go and change it. Let's go and change it. Later in the day, I will allow you to go.
Are you sure?
Yes, I will. Trust me.
Are you sure you will let me go?
isi yako gejibulu hayo isi yako gejibulu alomado patalo isi yako gejibu kwaya isi yako gejibu ipatan kwalolo ngwala biogwo isi yako gejibu ome mana manyana ome njona njosa.
Hey! Akwane semwo.
Isi jelu kotebu maifenya nebuga.
Seems like both of you don't believe me. I can take you there if you want, because I'm very, very sure of what I saw.
Spider, what do you think?
I don't know. I dey confused self. So many things in my head right now. And this kind of thing we should talk, not one of them.
What do you mean? You know saying that the chief priest of this kingdom we dey talk about? Are you that the second in command of our vigilante group?
You no go understand. If you dey my shoes, you go feel my pains. You no go understand, see?
Where you dey go now?
I want enter house now, go stretch for this man. You see?
I be saying me I go office now.
Need some rest.
Listen.
Brother, please. How is Mama?
Mama dey okay. She dey hospital. Why they crying now? How they like this thing way they do? How they like this thing way they do? Hey, don't do no. See, Mama never die. Don't do. I dare now.
I give you 30 seconds to choose your fate. X-Man.
Daddy.
Let the clock tick.
Daddy. 1, 5, 15, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Oh. I choose life. You what? I choose life.
Oh, Daddy.
Yes.
That's good.
I don't want to die yet.
You remember all I told you?
Yes, I do.
No, you're going to make a crisis. No, you're going to make a crisis.
Guys.
Oh, Daddy.
Take over.
Oh, Daddy.
Deal with him.
Now I understand how all these red cap chiefs value their lives. You know one day, Abi? Eh?
Bagide. Abi? Ngwapunye aka gị n'ọsọ. Himechi imi. Imepe ọnụ.
Open your mouth!
Please, untie me. Let me do that.
You want to teach us our job? You want to teach us our job, Abi? You want to teach us our job? You don't know. Oh, what's happening this one, Abi?
Ikechukwu, yes. Mama is getting better. We thank God. How about you? Ikechukwu, no. Don't pull that kind of joke with me. Hey, Ike, are you serious? My name appeared on the merit list. Hey, Ikechukwu. Hey, God, I thank you. Finally. Hey, Maria Omere. Idina Kereya, Maria Omere. Idina Jayama, Maria Omere. Idina Kereya, Maria Omere.
Johnson, what is it now?
My sisters, you both should help me and thank God though. Thank God for me, oh.
About what? Wait. Did your name appear in the admission list?
My dear, Ikechi just informed me now that my name appeared on the merit list. University of Nigeria, Nsukka.
Jesus, I thank you. Ogenede, I want to understand. So you mean you're now qualified to be in the university?
Yes. I'm now qualified to be in University of Nigeria, Nsukka. Hey! You push him and thank God now.
Wait. Before you rejoice all this, you rejoice, eh? Don't just wake Mama up.
That's not a problem. Even if Mama wakes up, this is a very great news for her. But it would not cause any harm.
Thank God.
Join me at thank God. My food is burning there. Thank God, even you too. Hey! Thank you, God. Finally. Hey!
The worst has happened in the history of this kingdom and in Igbo tradition. We can't keep folding our arms while this evil looms in the community. Or should we? Never. Have you heard what the native doctor Kodet said concerning the fate of our new king and the deceased chief priest? Yes. Don't you think that involving the government is the best option you have on hand?
No, you have a point there. That is the best option. Let us get them involved.
Now, why don't we make it while the sun shines? We have already lost the great ambassador of the gods to these unknown kidnappers.
Oh no, look at where I stand. We have to involve our vigilantes because they have been on ground. They will know how to solve this problem.
Yes. Okay. Let them go to the bush, comb the forest, the whole nook and corners of the forest, and also comb the neighboring villages.
Cheozo, I disagree with you. There's no need involving the vigilantes. They have failed us. You are aware of that. They have all failed us. Were they not here when the kidnappers came into our community, robbed our community? You are saying we should involve them.
The best option is that we should involve the government. They will bring permanent solution to this our problem.
That is my own.
Spider, are you suspecting anyone about the kidnap and the killing of the chief priest?
Not exactly.
In a case like this, you don't have to investigate alone. At least I assist you. Besides, no kidnapper is a small criminal.
Commander, there's one thing I have to do all alone by myself. I thank you for all the information you've given me so far. But I have to go all alone now.
7 good, 7 bad.
Don't you think that's why they're trying to make himself a hero?
Eh? Why you go to talk that kind of thing for Spider about Spider now? Eh? We all know say Spider they committed when it comes to people's life and property in this village.
What do you mean? So now we know they committed for this Vigilante work, Abi?
We all they committed now, Commander. But see, Spider commitment pass our own. See, that guy if it's selling soul to serve this village, if you don't know.
Wait. What are you trying to say? Eh? Are you trying to tell me, say, Obia Dadana, Hausa name?
I know they side anybody.
Wait. Are you trying to tell me, say, Baba no sabi bab or in rest no dey sharp? That guy, they run speed too much.
I know they even side Spider self. But as he be now, make I tell you now. Spider no fit help anybody because of his mama condition now. You no go fit grant anybody any favor.
Omila, it be like say don't they put eye for insist eye for ma, Abi?
Eh? Commander, if I don't know you before, I go talk say you be prophet. That's what they doing. They put eyes. Even they tag the girl. Eh? If you see woman, you go they follow them like flies.
I just they acknowledge that guy commitment for this village. That's all. Finish. Nothing else.
I beg you.
Shut up your mouth.
Tell him No, they rate Spider pass all of us where they here.
Tell him. You can say whatever you like. All I know is that each and every one of us here is strongly committed to this vigilante work. Why will Spider try to rate himself above all of us? God did not rubbish in our here.
That one concern you. Me, I don't talk my own and I don't talk and finish.
Don't ever talk that kind of thing again, whatever we did together. Abi, you don't hear?
I don't hear you at the place. Why I go talk am again? Eh? I no go ever try am again.
You know what my problem is, eh? Why will Spider want to investigate that case all by himself? Why? I don't know somehow. Because Spider can behave. Because no one actually answer no okay. That one side though.
Why you go there drink Panadol of another person here? Waiting they worry you.
Good. 7 bad.
Where go on? Eh? Babanda. Where go on?
No one can tell who will see tomorrow. So be careful what you do. Be careful what you sow. Molonye kolno koga ngolo andi fonye chono koga fukwa.
Commander, I'm sorry for keeping you waiting.
Forget that, Igobike. What do you tell me about Spider intention? I might just did the reason since.
What do you mean? That he may have a hand in the kidnap? Or that he's trying to overshadow you so that he will take over your position?
Every. I mean every. I don't reason myself how Spider go take a task like this. But nothing has shown up.
Commander, I've told you everything I know about him. And my instinct doesn't lie to me.
I think I have to do something first. Because had I known comes at last. I know Spider is up to something. But he has to be dealt with.
You have to act. And act real fast. Before it becomes too late. Makada mama. Nachagwa lobosi. ATM tire.
I'm not a learner in this game. I have 14 moves. 7 good, 7 bad.
Are you saying you cannot recognize those guys when you see them?
Their back was the only thing I could see then. And meanwhile, they were in a hurry.
Okay, were you able to copy the plate number of their car?
I didn't even think of that.
Hey.
I told you I was hiding somewhere while peeping at them.
What about the color of their, their car?
Yeah. Why are you asking me all these things? I didn't check all this, Omile. Please, my father will be hungry by now. I have to go home.
All right. No problem, eh? Thanks.
The doctor said Baba is going to be fine. But she needs time. But I keep wondering how long this time is going to be. Mama's condition is getting worse.
You don't do. What did I do now? Eh? You be man. Shh. I like this way they cry like woman. To go up to Mama. You feel me? Mama hear the rest. You could calm down. Hey, that's your admission thing. How far now?
Mama's condition has choked up everything. I've not been able to prepare.
Don't do. I don't like this one. See, what you go to be say? We're not going to allow that to make a slip come off our hand now.
Thank you, brother.
You hear me? Now you calm down. Now, you go run go house. Go check it for ma and the food. And then bring down fast. Yeah, they go. Shh. They go. Mama, they okay. They go.
See, considering what is happening to my family, I regret ever being born.
Shut up, Ifoma. Stop saying that. Are you trying to tell me that you're a mistake to God's creation?
Obi, you won't understand, eh? You won't understand the kind of difficulties and problems befalling my family ever since the death of my father. Okay, imagine. Is my brother Ikenna supposed to be a security man? Onyenche.
Ifim, I understand. But good life does not easily come by. Eh? It requires patience and hard work.
Ifoma!
What?
Mama is dying and hungry in the hospital. And you are here with this thing. Ifoma. Ifelone mekwage.
Stop calling him names.
Ifoma. Ifona sokwagi. Give me that flask. I said give it to me.
Hey. Go now.
And as for you, just thank your stars that I'm in a hurry.
Gawagi, go.
I wonder why your brother hates seeing me around you.
Seriously, I am so hungry. And nothing has entered into my stomach ever since I was brought here.
Come hold this thing for me, make I Oga, you don't reach, make you chop something. You have to go. Makosa. Yeah, open your mouth. Open your mouth, make I give you food. You have to go. Oga, see. This is the 9th time you're rejecting food. I will not take it from you. Oh, you won't make hunger kill you for this place, Abi? See, if you don't take this food, and I'm matching. If you was the man, the kind slap why go was all your teeth go fall for ground. No try me. Open your useless mouth, also.
You must eat this food. This particular food. You must eat it.
You must eat. See this food? Oh, yeah. Open also. No try me. No try my temper. You dey hot.
What is going on here?
God. Now this man that here, just they perform anyhow.
Ha, Chief, this man, he's still refusing to eat food. Eh?
Why don't you want to eat food? You want hunger to kill you? An old man like you?
You think I don't know your evil intention? You want to kill me with food poisoning? Huh?
Where would I waste my precious money? On stupid poison? Huh? When I have killing machines around me. Look at all of them. Why?
The gods of Ezimo's kingdom will surely not let you go scot-free.
The gods you're talking about ran away from this land a long time ago. I drove them away. So which gods are you hoping on? Which gods?
I've told you what I told you.
See, I want to do you a favor. And I'm sure you will like that.
Go to hell with that your favor.
Daddy? What do you talk? Daddy? What do you talk? What did you say? Now, boss, you they talk to like that.
Chief, this man man.
I go blow off your skull.
Relax. Kudu, arrange a meeting for us.
Yes, boss.
Ephraim, if you want to die of hunger, so shall it be.
Why don't kill me the same way you killed the chief priest?
Oh, Daddy?
The fate is not the same. It's not the same fate. Besides, you are of importance to me. You will die definitely, but not right now.
Daddy?
Not now.
Daddy?
Guys, take over.
Boss, they talk, Abi. Abi? Abi, what's the talk? Je, name anya ofuma, anamachi. If Ruku is boss they talk, you they talk the yana pakatabi. You get the man to the yana pakatabi. The Chris. Oh yeah, relax your head, or so as you be small picky where they beg to it. Oh, ah, anamachi. If Ruku is
Abi? Abi?
Scorpion is not the kidnapper. Why do you keep going to Zimuzo to look for him?
I get my reasons why they take go look for him. Because I don't like the way the investigation they go. Everybody believes in Scorpion carry out the biggie. And all eyes they shook for him body. The main suspects they out there, they walk out freely.
Spider, I wonder how you come up with your ideas.
Stop patronizing me. Okay, see. I need your help. I need your help no matter how small. Thanks, man. If you go.
Okay. Yes, he's becoming a threat to me and my movement. No! Don't be matter what go handle anyhow. Oh. Listen, let me tell you. All I want from you and your guys is carefulness. I mean carefulness. Yes, I trust you, Yeah, thank you. Spider.
Yeah, I come, see say they make call, I say okay, make I wait.
I wonder, any problem?
I need your favor.
Favor what? What favor?
I want make you give me all the details, information about them chiefs.
What do you mean? As in their life records?
Everything, their open and closed secrets, every information.
What has come over you again now? How can you consider knowing what you are planning to know now?
Commander, Honestly, I trust you. Now make I come meet you. See, all this information we put together, the 1 + 1 and 1, 2 + 2.
Wait! I hope you are not suspecting the chiefs or any chief's hand in the kidnapping of the new king.
Honestly, with this investigation, I'm not ready to leave any stone unturned.
But the investigation was for you and you alone.
Commander, I need you.
Let me tell you, Spider. I have 14 characters. 7 good, 7 bad. Count me out of this.
Commander, please.
Count me out of this!
Oh, come on, man. Commander, you know I would do these things now.
Be careful what you sow. Molonye kolnowa koga ngolo andi fonye chonowa koga fukwa.
Go to hell.
Who shall go to hell? You dare not use such weight on me.
Do to me whatever you wish. It is your turn.
And my turn shall remain forever. It's my turn forever.
We shall see. Except the gods are asleep.
Except what? Why must you call on the gods always? Be a man. Confront me like a man.
No man, no mortal can challenge the gods.
No man. Except I, Chief Okadibo. Ofyokolo Madokeke. Otabo Madokago. Agwolu.
You can answer whatever you like. For all I care, but I've told you what I told you. Yes.
For this your stubbornness, you are going to remain here indefinitely.
Who cares? You think I'm afraid of death? I am not.
You have mouth to talk? Do you still have mouth to talk?
Kodo! Kodo! Take him to the dungeon.
Gods of our land. Gods of our land. Where are you? Where are you? Get up.
Mama. Okay. Mama. Mama, what's that now?
Mama, stop that. Ndara. Lele, hacharirim. Hacharirim. Go smooth. Ana humanya. Abalam. Hacharirim, hacharirim. Alabam.
Anam na go smooth. Aga elim. Apu ya. Go smooth ana humanya anam na go.
Spider, what you want to do now? What you want to try to do? Huh?
Why are you making me Obioma your angel cry?
I love her.
Let's go back to the hospital.
Ndara. Ibarabam. Go smooth. Acha irimo. Acha irim.
Let's go back to the hospital.
We don't get this time now. We just can't go house. No get this time.
Ibarabam. Aku ibarabam. Ibarabam. Aku ibarabam. Ibarabam. You see?
Let's go back to
Ndara now. Ndara. See them, Ndara.
Spider, I don't need this woman character where you they showcase here. Now we will carry and go house first. Woman character.
Oh, shut up!
I love her, me. I love her. Give me 5. I love her, mo. I get him.
Oh my God.
I love him.
I'll take you.
I love him, mo. I love him. Go smooth. Go home, sweet home. Tara. Lele. I love him.
Please now. I wonder why this is happening. But I believe that God knows the best. He knows better. Please stop crying. Yeah? Crying is not an option now. Both of you have to be strong. Tears cannot change anything. Be strong, please.
What can I do?
I think somebody should go and call Dr. Tim. At least he should know that his patient is now at her house.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Ify, let me go myself. But both of you have to be strong. Please stop crying. Ify, be cool. Stop crying. Obioma, stop crying, please. I'm coming back.
Mama, do you believe that God in heaven can heal you? You believe? Since you believe, Mama, He will do it for us. Sister Ify. What? Sister Ify, please. Let's pray for Mama. I believe with God all things are possible. Please. Obioma. I was really praised since last week. Since last week. Cake with a had it. I'm a person. No. No, Sister Ify, we don't have to lose faith in God. I believe that God still answers prayers. We just have to believe. And He will do it.
Let us pray. Fire burn them. Burn them, bum bum bum. Fire burn them, bum. Fire burn, 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 burn. Fire burn, burn. Fire burn them, burn them, burn them. Fire burn, burn, burn. Fire, 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 burn, 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 burn.
You don't have to let your mother's health condition weigh you down. I don't say no waiting supposed to be. But no allow making take hold of you.
Bro, see, you too strong. I no fit enter your shoe. I no fit dey where you dey. I no fit carry the thing where you carry for head. See, they go about my security work for this village. You know possible.
I thank you now very well. When I be true brothers.
Why you they talk like this now? And our friends will be now. What are friends for?
And God will bless you.
Better shoot man, sit down, drink. Hey!
How things supposed to be now? Evelyn now. We're supposed to be our brother's keeper and helper. That's all.
I don't understand all this one, Doc, because now your job.
You know, it seems your mother is no more comfortable in the hospital. That's why I brought her back here. You heard what all she was saying.
Doc, you know, myself I did very confused, see. Because me, I don't understand why she no wants to stay there. Okay, now you don't bring and come here now. Waiting me and Sabi about medical science. You know my job now.
See, I told you earlier that your mother's health condition is not what medical attention can take care of. Your mother needs her kids' attention. She needs you or your siblings, not me. Okay?
Doctor, I don't hear. I don't hear. Thank you very much.
It is well.
We'll go do something.
All right.
Well, Doc, the money, they don't pay.
No. I'll get back to you.
You do well. Thank you,
Tell my greeting to her.
No, wala.
It is well. She will be fine.
Which kind of wala be this one now? Wait till I sabi about all this. See, Mama. Okay, thank God you get 2 daughters. They go take care of you because me I don't know anything about science. So all this one I can't put for my neck. I don't understand.
You can have this.
Chief, all this for me?
Oh, yes, sir. Oh, yes, sir.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Chief, I'm at your service any day, anytime. Have no fear.
I am not afraid of the gods, let alone mere mortals.
Chief, do you know why I like or I enjoy doing business with you?
I don't know. Let me know.
Chief, your hands are always open to give. And they say the hands that give are always on the top.
And at the same time, ready to strike at the enemy, to destroy the enemy.
Exactly. Chief, it is quite obvious that you are the next king of Zimuzo Kingdom.
Nobody can stand in my way.
Chief, I wouldn't like you to take it for granted. You need some level of fortifications. At the same time, I wouldn't like you to wage war against the gods. You have done enough kidnappings. You see, especially the kidnapping of the newly elected king and also the killing of the chief priest. Chief, take it easy.
If I say I understand where you're going, don't call me a liar. Be explicit.
Chief, I would like to suggest you release Chief Ephraim, since he has submitted to you.
And if I don't release him?
No, nothing happens. It's just that the Council of Chiefs have decided to, get to the root of this. And you know how extreme they could go in getting into the root of anything they want.
They can go to hell. They can go to hell. In fact, I never knew you were a coward.
Chief, I'm not a coward.
You're a coward!
I'm just trying to make sure we play safe. You see, cautiousness is not fear. Nkocha, abolo, ojo. And you see, I believe that a man who overcomes his desires, is braver than the man that conquers his enemies.
The hardest victory is the victory over self.
Oh, exactly what I'm saying.
Now, get out of this car.
Are you saying...
Get out of the car! Get out! Get out of this car! Get out! Even with my money, get out! You can go to hell like the elders. away! Get away! Listen! Ana me keke pakago. Ana me keke pakago. Hey, what is it?
Onye na-ekwelo anyị ekwetala nya. Onye na-ekwelo anyị ekwetala nya. Oga, kedu ife na-eli yo? Ife chọrọ aga nyekwa gị ya.
Spider, is this what we are going to train our children with? See, this security work you are doing is not good for a handsome guy like you.
Why they talk like this? The girl reason God to put me for this thing because God won't use me make point for this village now. Wait.
What point? Which point are you talking about? Eh? See, do you know why I'm saying all this? It's because tomorrow I don't want to hear that Wamaka has broken someone's heart.
If nobody say we differ outside, I know what I will do you. This guy said, come out here, beg. Come out here.
Now you know, me I don't talk my own. If you like, you do something about it. If not, please.
If not, waiting now. Eh? If not, waiting now. Just come on, love this.
Hey, you there? Stop there, I go shoot you. I said make you stop. If you move again, I swear I go shoot you.
Shoot my hand, they pain you.
Now wait till you go talk with that.
Hand, they pain you.
You know if you hide though, say you know. I they feel you. They smell you. I know all your tracks. You know if you hide, Scorpion.
Come on, go to hell. Go to hell, I beg, you know.
Stop or I go shoot you.
Come on, smell like dawa, they do this.
You dare show yourself. If you know say you ain't man enough, you go face me. Don't be say you go dey hide. Come drop bicycle here. You be coward. Scorpion, show yourself.
You remember what happens to the stubborn fly?
Yeah, I remember. Then tell me. Say the one we no get sense, now they follow that body enter grave. But the one we get sense, they fly come out.
Ikenna, you and your men destroyed my home. And I no get house, and I live for gutter, right? No problem. And I let it go.
Answer my questions.
Ikenna, be a good boy. Ikenna, stop crossing my path and stop attracting my anger. Because when it comes, you will never withstand it.
You do nothing, Scorpion.
You. Death is knocking on your door.
Oh, only God has a key to my life.
Ikenna, this is going to be the last time. If I don't shoot you, I did they watch you, but I let it go. This is going to be the last time I'm going to warn you. And stop being a stubborn boy. Be a good boy, Ikenna. I'm not going to talk to you again.
I know what to do, Scorpion.
Come on.
I no be like you. John.
God. Nobody thought say make I stop so you go shoot. At the back you shoot, make you see what thing go happen. Now magic you go see now. Shoot.
Small boy.
Idiot.
I don't fight blank. I fight man to man, one-on-one.
You be smaller boy.
Oh, that's what you think.
If you get heart, make you shoot me,
That's
make you
all
see
you
magic.
think.
If you get mine, shoot me, I back you now, shoot.
I no be coward. Now you be coward.
He is an extremist. He would like to go to the root of this matter.
Commander, tell me something. Do you mean he has been monitoring and suspecting both of us all this while?
I wouldn't know. But that boy is a tortoise. He likes doing things in a cunning ways.
Now, tell me what you know about him. that tell me exactly what you know about that boy.
I'm afraid, Chief.
Afraid?
I'm so afraid.
Why?
You know how unforgivable a betrayer can be in this village.
Of course I know. I'm not a foreigner.
I don't want to be banished away from this village, Chief.
Oh, you think I want to be banished too? I don't want to be banished too.
Then we have to do something right now.
Commander, let me shock you a little. Do you know that that boy is not an indigenous of this town? Do you know that?
Which boy?
Spider, of course.
Ikenna, Nedi.
Who else are we talking about, Commander? Who else are we talking about? Ikenna. Yes.
Chief, tell me what's happening.
I believe you know the implication of that. That is not an indigene. That means he has no right to be involved in anything as far as this community is concerned.
I'm not a foreigner, Chief. Tell me.
We have to start a protest against him immediately. Not tomorrow. Tomorrow is too late. That is exactly what we do, and we'll start now.
Chief, you give me more details about him.
Of course, his mother, Obiageri.
Well, no positive information for now. But Nigerian police is 100% on that case. But that's the only information and that's the only hope I can give you people for now.
Okay. Well, the only and major fear we are battling with right now is about the condition of our new king, whether he's dead or alive. DPO!
Exactly, DPO. Exactly that. You see, DPO, we want him released to us alive, not dead.
Well, I am not God or a magician. But as a true Christian, I also hope and I have faith that he's still alive.
That's the same fate of the people of Zimuzo Kingdom. We are still hoping that he's alive.
But I doubt if the kidnappers are business kidnappers. Because if they are, by now, they must have mentioned or said their ransom.
You are right, DPO. You are very correct.
What should be?
I suspect they were contracted by someone.
That is it. That has been my thought all this while. In fact, they have been contracted to do this.
Then do anyone know anything about the king's business life?
I think Chief Idika here is in good position to answer that your question. DPO. And I sit in Okwamaro.
Chief Uzoka here is right. Both of them have been best of friends right from childhood.
Then, Chief Idika, please, can you be of help to Nigerian police?
There's no doubt about it. We've been best of friends right from our childhood. You know, but our friendship has been like, you know, that of a husband, a secret husband and a secret wife. Actually, I don't know much about his business activities. I have to be straight with you people.
Are you saying you don't know anything at all?
DPO, you heard me. You heard me.
Please. Maricham. I want to. Mama. Mama, be cautious. Mama, eat your food now because I don't want you to suffer also. Mama, be cautious. Please. Eat. Be good. Please.
This is what you did last night. And you're doing it again this morning. Go save me.
Mama, Mama, because of you, no one ate in this house last night. Mama, do you want us to be starving? No, tell me. Do you want us to be starving? Because, okay, don't worry. Oh yeah, meat. It's meat. Oh, meat.
Mama, let me turn it. Please, Mama.
Ogene na-eso okwu abologana ọmakachi. Ogene na-eso okwu abologana makachi. Ndị alụla anyị agali ebe anyị makachi. Ndị alụla anyị agali ebe anyị makachi. Ogene na-eso okwu abologana makachi. Ogene na-eso okwu abologana ọmakachi. Give me one chance.
You go come out oh. It be like say some idiots they mark my step.
Name. Abi?
I get feelings say person they follow me, but nothing they happen.
Ma hadi. Na ka bawa do.
Gili na karia. Holam. Ogini kambe. Nambia. Besia yoso. Chima chineke. Chanya chineke. Chima chineke. Chanya chineke.
Mama because acharugo oyo nne hey mama muku mama because we your children love you. Stop running from your children, mama. Mama, stop running from your children.
Mama, please. Mama, stop this thing you're doing. Mama, be good.
I'm hungry.
Mama, anything natural. I will take you so that you eat something. Let's take you so that you eat, Mama. Mama, anything.
Mama, I and my sister have been begging you since morning to eat. But you Let's take her home. Let's take her home. Don't worry, we'll take you home. I know. I know. We'll take you. There is food at home. Ow.
This is home now.
Mama.
Hey, stop there! Young man, stop there! Mr. Man, stop there or I blow up your plate.
Which kind of people be this one? Which kind of baby police then be this? Eh? With this one, I want one round. When I get for a gun, now they stop me. For this town. Wait. Make on see me. Make a turn. Wait. Ona they see me. Ona they see my thing. Ona get eye. Ona they see me. When I go outside, go they stop motor. No before inside this village, you. They crazy. Yeah, they like where motor they pass.
Stop there! I just stop there!
I shoot now. Make you see my thing.
Where do you think no they enter? No enter.
Akwa musimu na kwa chips. Akumu simu na kwa chebere Chukuna manata Gidayero
Obioma, Ifoma, I believe that no condition is permanent. And moreover, Mama was not born like this.
Johnson, I know that no condition is permanent. But this Mama presence condition has put this family through a lot of difficulty, shame and disgrace. Eh? See, now people start saying that our family has a gene of madness.
Don't mind what they are saying. Everyone is entitled to say anything. But I believe Mama will be alright. After all, they all have freedom of speech to just say anything they like. But Mama will be alright.
See, I just pray that God should just deliver us from this Mama's present condition. I just pray. I believe that God will do it for us.
Yes, God will. If we can put all our faith in Him.
But what is it now?
No, nothing.
How do you mean by nothing, brother?
Oh, John, you're just running as if someone is...
Oh, shut your mouth. Yes, somebody's pushing you. Would they pursue me?
Brother, see, no one is actually blaming you for running. You did the right thing. God.
So, waiting happen. Where Mama?
Brother, Mama ran out of the house again.
Mama ran out of the house. Where on a day? Eh? Where all of a day when Mama ran come up? Where should they now?
See, brother, we should just be thanking God though. It was just here that brought Mama back after a very long chase inside the bush and road.
Johnson?
Yes, brother. I was fortunate enough to have met Obioba running after Mama along the lonely road that leads to Mudimba village. So I now joined her in the pursuit to Mama. So I brought her back from inside the bush.
Where Mama is now?
She's inside.
If you are in the country, then turn and go back to the States. The country is not safe right now. Yes. I said the country is not safe, so go back to the States and wait. Are you not hearing me? Leave the country, go back to the States and stay. It's not safe right now. See, don't say I didn't warn you. Yes, I warned you. Huh? Stubborn boy. Stubborn boy.
Good evening, Chief.
Good evening, Tom. Where have you been?
Chief, I was in my room.
You were in your room?
Yes, Chief.
And you couldn't pick my call?
Chief, I was actually having my bath.
Okay. I want to go somewhere now. Let me go and dress up. Put that goat in the boat. You'll take me there. Huh?
Excuse me, Chief.
What is it?
Sorry, I have a letter for you.
A letter? Who sent the letter?
It's for me, Chief.
You sent me a letter. Yes, the two of us are here. You wrote a letter to me. I hope all is well.
Yes, Chief. All is well.
Let me have it.
Chief, let me rush and put the goat in the boat.
Make sure you put the goats in the boat. Must you quit?
Sir?
Why do you want to quit? You know it will be difficult for me to get a replacement for you, a personal driver for me. You know that?
Chief, I considered all those things. But my decision is solely based on family affairs. You know my wife is pregnant. And you know how pregnancy is to pregnant women. So I decided to give myself a kind of holidays so that I can go home, take care of my pregnant wife and other things.
It's okay. It's okay. Every man is entitled to his personal advisor. I don't have to come and control your family, especially with a pregnant wife. But it's just clear I will find it difficult to get a replacement for you. It will be. All the same, accepted. I'm only regretting that you declared in your letter of appointment that you will walk up to this mountain.
Yes, sir.
It's all right. It's all right.
Okay, Chief. Chief, I'm really very sorry for any inconvenience I may cause you. I'm really very sorry, sir.
I've had you. Once you drop me, you go your way. Thank you.
It's obvious. Say then kidnap Chief Ephraim because of the kinship.
See, make I tell you, Chief Ephraim decision, a clear indication, say them forcefully come out for that kingship throne or whatever.
I suspect someone else is interested in becoming the next king of this kingdom.
And a person with interest paramount than that of the tradition of our kingdom. Wamaka!
Spider, any bagger day between you and your babe, Wamaka?
That's the question I want to ask Spider now.
You know, say women will always be women. They get their wahala. I beg too many issues on my head.
But I don't know Wamaka with that kind of character now.
The only thing where they permanent for this world, my friend, no change.
Spider, I suspect something is wrong. Since why I know I'm to be your babe, she never behaved like this before.
See, make I tell now, I mean, I'll just forget that side.
See, Spider, man, I tell you something. I know like waiting, I carry my eye, see, nah. Just try make up with that girl now. Now, wow.
I get too many issues on my head.
Try find out now. See, find out what's wrong with her.
Her case not small matter.
Now, wow.
Anamachi, if you reach, say hello to your ancestors.
We did before, without fighting, we did live before, without killing, we mean they live before, without sorrow, right now.
So if I may say, with all the security we'll get for this place, those kidnappers still get liver, enter this village, do their evil. They bad for me, I tell you.
You know, if you say a person from this village, you could contract them. And also, they guide them.
I think so.
Hey! You see?
Wait.
Criminal! Follow!
What was that, Spider?
Spider! Give me a message.
Ah, shit. Just had a bad dream.
Dream? This afternoon.
And that was a frightening scream.
We did before, without fighting, we did live before, without killing, we mean they live before, without sorrow, right now, things don't change, mama, oh, things don't change, papa, oh, things don't change, ogini na chanyo so na banyo, okwandinto, nita kalia nyaro, onye ne was in the
Oh, you still it?
Come on, bring that phone. They make noise for this territory. They're mad. Come on, bring the phone.
Mommy, you want try, Abby?
You go fear now. You go fear. Medicine pass medicine. Never see magic. I can see you for here again.
Onye na-ekwelo anyị ekwetalo nya. Onye na-ekwelo anyị ekwetalo nya. Oga, kedu ife na-elio? Ife chọrọ aga anyekwa gị ya.
The way they take men down meat, no mercy.
Yeah, Joe. You know go see where you did. Open your eye.
Makachi, ndalola nyakalia bani makachi. Ndalola nyakalia bani makachi.
What did happen now? Na me no want throw away bullets give or malita. I dey match kwa una no see my ukweze. Wetin be that now? Why you dey perform?
Pagide. Abi, come. You go try the ring man before you go come here. Me, you know answer painful exit. Wait him your all this one self.
No verse.
Why you can't they run like this now? What's happen? Like this.
See.
They don't follow you.
Now that same guy at the village square.
Ha.
Now that same guy,
His name is Tobechuku, but they call him Scorpion. He's been making various attempts on my life.
Okay there. Abi? Chief, now you never want me to buy this son of man.
Danger na biakwa. Kili na karia. Holam, ogini kamelule. Chidia kebwe, ogini komelule. Imani kwa fobala, echiga kukugo. Imani kwa fobala nya, echage pegibe. Ndalola na karia bani makachi. Ndalola na karia bani makachi. Ogini neso kwa bologana.
Anukenyi, eye of the gods. What brought about this blockade?
That boy you seek to kill will bring about your doom. He belongs to Akidiyama, the god of protection of Eziama, and hence should not be hurt by any mortal.
I don't understand. That boy has been to me a pain in the ass. I mean, since he came of age, I don't understand him.
After the death of his mother, that boy went and initiated himself to Akidiyama, the god of protection, for the last time, to not hurt him.
Who are you to challenge when God have spoken? Who are you to challenge what God has written? Man propose, but God dispose.
Who is in this house? Who is in this house?
Waiting be this. For this hot sun.
We are men from the Central Police Station in Yaba. A report came to us. There's a missing girl within this village. And we have been going from house to house in search of her.
Officer, I've never heard about any missing girl.
Young man,
Does not matter if you are aware or not. We are here to do our job, so allow us.
Bros, no be you are they talk to. See Ogawa they talk to, sir. Sir. See Ogawa they talk to, sir. Sir. No be you are they talk to. Bros, no be you are they talk to.
Yeah, I've heard you.
You.
Sir.
Sir, this side.
Okay, sir.
You can conclude your search now. Conclude your search.
This side.
I don't carry on a trouble come for this hot afternoon again. No.
What is there, sir?
Yes? I can't see anything, sir.
I tell you.
What is this, sir?
I don't carry on a trouble come again. When I sleep under this hot sun.
What is in this rubber?
It's just my mother's old water drum. You can see the position where it is. When rain falls, it gets in there. You know, you have it in your house. Everybody has it. The whole Nigeria is having it.
Please, can you open it?
Ona they give me work, oh.
I say open it.
Ona they give me work, oh.
Open it.
Ona they give me work, oh. What's this? What be this? Eh?
Okay, now Mabino.
Arrest him.
Arrest him. Calm down, relax. Yes, calm down. No wear me that bangle. No wear me that bangle. Relax. No boy, relax now. Guy, no they. Boy, if they cluster me, no they cluster me. They go. No they cluster me now.
The police authority has declared him wanted, as well as Zimuzo village. That means that he's not going to step his feet on this land again.
Very good. That's the objective. I thank you for a job well done, Commander. Check for your upkeep.
Chief.
Thank you.
Chief. Thank you very much.
Okay. You can go. Mjide Keke, Atamo Kago. Thank you very much once again.
I know one nonsense here, but you no go agree. I know one rubbish here, but you no go agree. Until I show you myself, you go know my color. You never know say I get the money. You never know say I get the.
I wonder. I still dey reason the matter. Chief, I don't even understand this claim that he cannot be killed because he's initiated to one deity. Make I dash on one bullet or clear nose now. Which kind deity be that one?
For your information, when anything or anybody is initiated to a deity, he becomes untouchable, a totem. Just like we have places in Anambra State where you don't touch crocodile, you don't harm the python, and so on and so forth.
But Daddy, this scorpion guy, don't you think that this guy is spoiling things for you?
You are correct. Let's just hold on until I get coronated. Then I can influence other kings from other kingdoms to send this boy far away from our vicinity. That's what I would do.
Okay, Chief.
That's what I would do. Yes.
You will do that.
Go and get it for me.
See, as for me, I go tell you, say that dream where you dey talk now, say nah, ordinary dream, oh. Or let's say na one small sickness won't hit you with that.
I know the dream. I dey hardly dream. But when I dream, especially bad dreams, they come to pass. If it no happen the way I dream, but it happen.
Okay, what you want tell me now? You want tell me now say na original dream be that I've been waiting.
Now my headache be that.
Okay, make I ask you. As it dey now, what's in your mind? What you dey think?
Which are the thing now be saying? My life and my family.
As in, you won't employ spiritual protection, I've been waiting.
Won't employ spiritual protection, careful protection. But now my family would they talk about here now?
Na good idea, now what you just dropped so. But see, I want make all the members of your family, you understand? They for the protection stuff now. I know how you take love your family now.
The reason where I take waka be that.
See, I hear say Chief Okadibo won't contest for the next kingship for this our village.
Who knew?
Nah, we can no make now.
Who tell them?
Bros, I know ask them that one, but as they talk with all seriousness.
It's not possible.
Bros, why you talk like this?
I say no possible.
Which one be say that kind of no possible?
See, make I tell you. The two clans will produce king before you reach their turn. It's not possible. Forget that thing, man.
But see, myself, I know say these two clans will go produce king. Nobody feel come up from those two clans. Can't talk saying won't become king. Because everybody that afraid of what happened to Chief Ephraim and even the chief priest.
Even at that, Chief Okadibo no fit be king for this village. Come on, man, the man is evil.
Boy, I fear.
We don't need that kind of covering at all.
Money get power.
It's not possible, man.
Kai! Yes, we've tried our best to find out his sudden decision to withdraw from the kingship title and even how he escaped the grip of these kidnappers, all to no avail.
The mystery here is that he has to be addressed as a king, whom the gods of our land has chosen and crowned king. DPO, can you imagine that?
I suspect he was kidnapped because of the throne. And under normal circumstance, no man rejects the kingship of his hometown. Every man wants to be a leader.
I wonder, my people. Makana fube moya sikori no kwa. Osina na kayama. Ade meme. Onwe kwa kodio.
As it is right now, I think Chief Ephraim will be a useful tool in finding his kidnappers and also the murder of your chief priest.
What is it?
It's okay. I'll be all right. I don't know what's wrong with me. I'll be fine. I'll be fine.
Don't worry, people. Calm down. This case has taken another dimension. And the Nigerian police is coming in another dimension. Don't worry.
Give me one chance, I want to rule you. If you no give me chance, I no go rule you. Muwaga pasa, ngewaga pasa kwa. Danger, 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 danger na biakwa. Kill na career. Holam, ogini kamelule. Chidia kebwe, ogini komelule. Imane kwa fobala.
Chairman wants to see you. Oh, now me they watch like television. Chris Chimark.
I was going to your house, so now I saw you. I'm happy.
I can't remember having an appointment with somebody like you, Okadibo.
I want to tell you that I have interest in becoming the king of our town.
What did I hear you say?
I want to be the king of Zimuzo town, and I'm sure you're going to approve of it.
I don't know what you are saying. As you can see, I'm hurrying somewhere.
No one nonsense here, but you no go agree. I no one rubbish here, but you no go agree. Until I show you myself, you go know my color. You never know say I get the money. You never know say I get the boys here. Boys in a messy figure, and while I'm far, boys in kaja, and while I'm far. If you no one know, I go show you. If you no one know, I go show you, Pepe.
From my personal observation, I think Okadibo is behind Chief Ephraim's sudden change of mind in becoming the king of our community.
Oh no, which Okadibo are you talking about?
The Okadibo you know very well.
Mbano. That couldn't be possible.
This is too difficult for me to believe. I know him very well. He cannot do a thing like that.
No, look. He has done one or two things with all these bad boys he has been parading about. That made me to believe that what Ono is saying is true.
Elders of our land, I greet you. Well, whether you respond or not should not be an issue here. But I know I am the topic in this uncalled for gathering. Uncalled for because I wonder how a gathering of elders like this should take place in our land without my knowledge. Without my knowledge! Well, I've come to tell you that I have decided to become the next king of our land, Zimuzo land. I pray for any of you who turns into a stumbling block, because I'm going to crush him. Therefore, be warned. Be warned. I repeat, be warned. You in particular. You never feature on. Koyata log you guru. Now, Roger Menane. When I decide to deal with you, if you go to Inakebe, or get back here, or whatever. When you Fuzagi, Enolo, ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
I get your boys here, boys in MSC and well on fire. Boys in Kajala Kaja, and well on fire. If you know one more,
Gagin make Wokama. Can you find a Wokama? Eh? Also, Yama Batarego no Bodanya. Mbobna, Okadibo. Ah! Does he think he can intimidate us with these bad boys? DJ, I got Makoni. Ah!
What other evidence do you need? Asna Madon, in Adjukere Abuna.
Yes, I think he's afraid of being killed because we have done our best in bringing him down here, but all to no avail.
I suspect he was given a death threat by the same person behind his kidnap.
You said when Chief Okadibo is interested on the throne?
Yes. He even said that he must be crowned the next king, whether good or bad.
Whether good or bad. Well, if I may ask, who is this Chief Festus Okadibo? And how powerful do you think he is?
The only thing DPU I know about him is that he parades himself as the most influential in this community.
I also believe that because he's politically influential.
That is why he sees himself as a god in this community. But all I do know is that nobody is above the government. As for Chief Ephraim, he won't seal up his lips for long. We'll look into that.
So you talk say we go pay all the money at once, Abi?
Not really, brother. But the tuition fee has to be paid, so I don't lose admission.
Okay. You say the palapala na 28,000?
28,000 naira with the acceptance fee.
Okay. You know what you go do? Eh? Those important ones, when you go make you miss admission, and that one will go pay first. You hear me so?
Brother, I'll have to make the inquiries then.
Do that one. See, when you get all the information, let me come talk to me. Eh?
Thank you, brother. Brother, is it true that one Chief Okadibo is going to be the next king?
Okadibo waiting for this town over my dead body. You go find the information. Come tell me. Go find the information for me, Mama.
Johnson, listen to me.
I am not interested in any message you're about to give to me. So keep it to yourself.
Important message, Justin.
Am I
speaking Swahili? I said I am not interested.
It's a message you will not ignore, Johnson. This is a message about human life. Your brother's life, to be precise.
Okay, what is it?
Tell your brother to be very careful with his vigilante colleagues. Not everybody likes him, especially that's their commander. Tell him to be very careful. I don't know why I keep getting this strange message for him. Just tell him, deliver the message for me, okay? Thank you.
Bravo. I've read you, Joseph the Dreamer. Or should I call you St. Paul? Anyway, thank you.
Johnson, sorry, please, one more thing. Sorry, please help me greet Ifomak for me.
May God deliver you.
Greet her for me, please, yeah? Thank you. Just greet her for me, thank you.
You can have this.
Thank you, Chief.
I said, more will come your way, as long as you remain under the same canopy.
The reason why I'm staying in this village is because of you, Chief.
Okay.
I can't stop working for you until you become the king of this Zimuzo village.
Very good, very good. I just want you to be on your guard. Is that clear? Don't mind that so-called spider. I'll open his chapter very soon.
7 good, 7 bad. I have to leave, sir.
Okay.
Ndalolana kaliabani makachi. Ndalolana kaliabani makachi. Ogene neso kwa bologana o makachi. Ogene neso kwa bologana makachi. Ndalolana kaliabani makachi. Ndalolana kaliabani makachi. Ogene neso kwa bologana makachi. Ogene neso kwa bologana o makachi.
I think installing a new chief priest will be a vital weapon for us to stop Okadigbo.
But don't you know, it is the gods that install and choose the ambassadors in this kingdom?
How could they have allowed the ambassadors to be killed by a mere mortal? I'm still confused.
For everything that happens, the gods know about it.
How do we stop Okadigbo?
It won't prevail for long. This I know for sure.
Who are you to challenge when God have spoken? Who are you to challenge what God has written? Man propose, but God dispose.
Chief Ogadibo said, you chiefs should use this token and buy some stuffs.
Tell Chief Ogadibo that we're not interested in his money. This kingdom is not for sale. Let him stop struggling in vain.
And what about you?
You've had him. We can't be bought with money. This man has no fear and shame.
But remember, this man is a dangerous character and wicked, so we must have to be very careful with him.
I did very surprised.
Does it mean that Commander is working against us?
Then I won't say we need to find out.
Spider, you sure? You sure, Spider?
Don't be all this nonsense now. Which I won't gain if I lie against another man, eh? Wait.
Okay, man, Commander must hear this. It's the wrong target. Commander must hear this.
See, I dey yarn una 2 days because me I consider una as my confidant.
This is unbelievable.
Now, wow. I am Chief Okadibo, the Ofoko Madokeke of Otibo Bodo land, and then Otakago of Zimozo land. 2 powerful titles there.
So you are the Chief Okadibo of Zimozo?
Zimozo land, yes, sir.
And what can I do for you? You've been calling, disturbing. Now I am here. What can I do for you?
Thank God I met you. I plan to see you in the office. But look at the 2 of us here. I just brought a deal.
A deal?
Simple deal. A simple deal. I understand that my case file is at your table. All I want you to do is throw away that case file. A check of 1 million naira is here for you to actualize all that.
I'm sorry to disappoint you. I am not interested in your deal.
The DPO, I can double it. I can make it 2 million naira. So you can change your life pattern, change even this car. Resign if you opt for resignation. I give you a bigger job. DPO, somebody is talking. You hissing at me? DPO! DPO of Central Police Station! After hissing at me, you drove out on me! Hey! Efia mumado keke! Tam mado kago! Agu owulu! Owulu! Okay. Alright! I said alright! Atamu mado kago! Agu owulu! Owulu!
We will see tomorrow. So be careful what you do. Be careful what you sow. Mkpulonye kolno wa koga ngolo anifonye chono wa koga fukwa.
Kwelo anye kwetelonya. Onye na-ekwelo anye kwetelonya. Oga, kedu ife na-elio? Ife chọrọ aga nyekwa gị ya. Ndị alụla na-akarịa be anyị maka chi. Ndị alụla na-akarịa be anyị maka chi. Ogene na-ese okwu ọbụlọgana ọ maka chi. Ogene na-ese okwu ọbụlọgana maka chi. Ndị alụla na-akarịa be anyị maka chi. Ndị alụla na-akarịa be anyị maka chi. Ogene na-ese okwu ọbụlọgana maka chi. Ogene na-ese okwu ọbụlọgana ọ maka chi. Give me one chance now, I want to rule you. If you no give me chance now, I no go rule you. Mo waga pasa, nge waga pasa kwa. Danger, 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 danger na biakwa. Kill, 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 kill na karia. Holam, 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 ogini kamelule. Chidia, chidia kebwe, ogini komelele. Imane kwa fobala, echiga kuku.
If I don't warn you, say Chief Okadibo no be ordinary man. He powerful and spiritual, but you no go listen.
Oh, come on, Commander. See what I see for this whole thing, be say you dey fear.
Yes, I dey fear, because I want to leave.
Not just that.
What do you mean by not just that?
Very soon, when the hurricane wind go blow, the nyash of the fire go open for everyone to see for public.
7 good, 7 bad.
Oh, that equation will work again.
say your papa, your father, your papa, your papa, your papa, your papa. Come on, come down, come down, come down. The first.
That's me bullshit.
Hey, what say you, man?
Come on, shut up. You the crash.
What say you, man?
The mad here.
Listen, I am Mwadike, the son of Imbechi, the widow that your father took her only portion of land.
What the fuck are you saying, man? I don't get you.
They not tell you that story, Abi?
They did not tell you this story,
right? What the fuck are you saying, man? I don't get it. What's all this, man?
When you join your father for grave, you go tell him that kind of bullshit.
Wait.
Now they find me my trouble. My mother, our only portion of land. Only portion of land. Now collect. On our one dog who come build us for our kitchen. On the grace. For this village, eh? Oh. Nagoyara. Oh, now the money where your papa the thief. The land when they collect for people hand 90 buy this motor, Abi. Because they tell me bullshit.
We there before, without fighting. We there live before, without killing. We mean they live before, without sorrow. Right now, things don't change. Things don't change, mama. Oh, things don't change. Things don't change, papa. Oh, things don't change. Again, in a change, your son, I ban you.
My son, I warned thee, but you kept deaf ear, which brings to fruition that saying, that a stubborn fly enters the grave with the corpse. But I assure you that those behind your death must confront something beyond death. Yes. Aga give a cake. Tabakago. Agua wulu. Yes. Agua wulu. May your soul rest in perfect peace.
Obioma, Ifoma, I'm going to school for my registration.
So early?
Yeah.
Finally. Thank God.
Johnson, I'll see you all for.
Who will I stay with Mama?
Mama is sleeping.
Don't worry. You can go. I'll stay in case Mama wakes up.
Oh, take care of Mama. My sweet sister.
Don't worry, let me help you.
Alright.
Face of studies, Johnson.
I'm coming, don't worry.
Bye. Follow.
Never know say I get a boss here. Boss in a messy figure. And while I'm fine.
See this man, huh? You mad? Now look at this guy, He say fine girl, fine boy like I'm a fine girl like Omalicha. But they can't do business with you. Does the fuck up? Score they do you, Abi. They do you, yes. Nah, look at this guy.
Now, where is he?
Oh, you look us finish, you they ask us who? Want to say we no get sense, Abi? We feel like say we the grace. Why is Spider don't say something?
But can't you go, I swear?
Where is Spider?
There's no one. It's not them in this house, I swear! Do go!
Nah, look at this small boy. And I know so next year, next everywhere,
Look at this small boy.
Okay, no one tell us where he did.
I don't know, I swear.
Tell them the language where they go understand. Ada no Igbo. Ada no Igbo. Tell them the main thing.
It is with the joke, Abi. Okay. Pagide, Abi. Watch you get me now.
You don't understand that. No shouts any. What's it? Oh, beginning. It's your beginning.
You've killed my style. Tell me to shut up.
Hey, oh, you get mad to talk when they talk. Nigga, Gashinonia language. Just show him the language.
I say no again.
Show him.
Shadow again. Go watch it.
Hey! I will talk.
Now, where is Spider?
I will talk. Hey!
And I'm actually if you question.
Hey! I'm a little child to go if any man.
Since I come here, come down sugar.
Say, now me be the only lion in the desert. They don't pull my tail. And I go bite them. God, let their souls rest in peace. While I am left to fight the feast. I'm gonna get all of you with the responsible for this, one by one. I promise you all.
I advise you, Spider. Stop whatever grudge or plans you gave for Chief Okadibo. That man, na devil, na Satan himself.
One thing I go assure you, Commander, we say, I go avenge the death of my siblings. That's what I would do.
So for your mind now, you think say na Chief Okadibo kill them, Abi?
Everything. Hello, Obidis.
I've come to sympathize with you over the loss of your loved ones. I pray that the good Lord will grant you the fortitude to bear the loss.
Thank you. I know how you feel.
I've also come to declare my interest in the war of revenge I know you guys are preparing to embark on.
Don't worry yourself.
I've made up my mind and nothing will stop me.
You be more say you go follow school now. Eh? You won't go risk your life.
I promised Ifoma that I will always protect her. Ifoma was my word and I will always protect my word. See, I know of a place where we can go and acquire spiritual power to embark on this journey.
Where this place be?
Ngurungu Shrine. The man is powerful.
I can see the battle is more spiritual than I thought. Let's go and get more prepared.
May Dada's soul rest in peace.
Amen.
If to avenge Una death, that will be the last thing when I do for my life. I go make sure say all the people waiting the people where they responsible go pay. I call on the spirit. I call on the spirit now. Make you not leave me alone. Them go pay. Them go pay. I promise them go pay.
Chief Okadiwo is your father.
Man, I say wait. My sworn enemy. How possible now, eh? How rat one born lion like me? I ain't gonna be my papa. I ain't gonna be my papa.
Umuzimu bukwa n'obodo nwalife, umuzimu bukwa n'obodo nwaluchi, umuzimu bukwa n'obodo malife, umuzimu nwekwala omenala, umuzimu nwekwala ebune wemfu, umuzimu ndị banye, umuzimu chukwu chebanye. Biko bịazie ya ụzọ, Biko bịazie ya ụzọ, Biko bịazie ya ụzọ, akwa musimu na-akwa chebe, akwa musimu na-akwa chebe, Chukwu na mmadụ gibia nyere obodo anyị aka, Chukwu na mmadụ biko gibia nyere obodo anyị aka. Ay, alele bueno mo, yeah, alele bueno mo, oh, akwa ina kwa.
Heaven is my witness, Okadibo. No man has ever seen my nakedness but you.
You're a blundering liar, Nedi.
Okadibo, I'm not lying to you. If I'm lying, let the gods of Allah strike me dead, Okadibo.
Oh. See you. You better go and meet Chike and Mecca them. I know I'm not responsible for this pregnancy. There's no
Chike and Emeka in my life. It's you. It's you.
You are mad. You are mad. Oh. Your plan is to come and ruin my future, Abi? Inanama karakam. Bano girl, boy, kono moment no. Ogale ko moment. I want me feel nako. No kwalo we go.
Please, don't do this to me.
Don't do what? Never you mention my name on this pregnancy. Because I'm on my knee.
Don't deny me now that I need you the most.
Leave me, Charlie. Come. I'm not gonna.
See, that's how the man you called your father is not really your father. He married me with the pregnancy because my parents were threatening to kill me.
Male, all this way they talk. Now super story for my ear. Okadibo. You know, how you go bring my papa? How you happy? It's not possible, mama. It's not possible now. Let's talk this kind of thing, I beg.
He's truly your father. But God gave us different hearts and different minds. You have different hearts. You're different, my child.
Mama, stop this thing. Stop this talk. Yeah? Stop this talk. Am I just a bit fool, Abi? Well, if you just tell anything. All that one you talk, I say make my eye come off for him body, but my eye don't magnet him, and until I kill him, I don't go leave him.
It's not because of it. See, God put it in my mind. God put it in my mind so that I should tell you. Eh? See, my head, my brain, my head is okay. It's just the things I have been seeing. I just want to forget that Chief Okaudibo. That's why the depression came and it looks as if I'm mad. My head is correct, oh. My head is correct. Nah, Pico. Be careful, oh. Pico. This man is evil.
See, Mama. All the way you talk, I don't hear. And because say they even, I mean, I tell you, say the man no go leave.
No.
Are you going to breathe the walk? For where?
No, now.
Mama. All of them are going to go.
Spider, we don't wait you since now. We say we could know what's in the happen.
Why are you in this mood? What is it?
Abi, you know what embark on this journey with us again?
Okadibo na my papa.
Okadibo? Which Okadibo?
The same one where you know.
You know possible. Who tell you that one?
Namale tell me. She even tell me how it happened.
This is so strange. So, what did your mother advise?
I'll go see Ngurungu first.
Deal. Deal, right?
Deal. I don't trust you. But I believe we can run this deal together.
You get to trust me because now the same cause we dey fight for. Because I know say you need them, I need them, and you need them. Small boy. I'll go die.
Come bring you out.
Calm down, okay? I'll come out. Come down.
We did before, without fighting. We did live before, without killing. We mean they live before, without sorrow. Right now, things don't change. Things don't change, mama. Oh, things don't change. Things don't change, mama. Oh, things don't change. Again, in a change, your son, I ban you. Okwandinto, nita kalianyaro. Onyane wazindi mmadu. Chima chineke.
Today you meet your judgment day, Okadibo. Yes, your judgment day today.
Drop all this guns you're carrying! Let me tell you, I cannot be killed by any mortal.
You.
So you better drop all these guns you're carrying and offer an apology. An apology! Oh! Resistance? No! Ah! Oh! Hey!
Take care of him.
Yeah! Move it! Move it!
Fellow elders, as you can see, no evil can prevail over good forever.
Exactly, my
Hey, you don't do. Other one they talk like noise. What will be the next step? Why you chop my meat?
As you see me, I did like person who get teeth, Abi. On a day, the Jones, they lazy with these chiefs there. Maybe I see that guy. I don't want anybody to come see him dead body. My mama, I promise her, say, I go buy this man for her, and I don't believe her, and I don't do her.
Come on for ya. If I the dress, it not be me. You are the hear me. Ta! Come on, I know rich. Come on, everybody. Come on.
You see, when I want chop papa, I pluck her myself.
I'll go hold on now.
He don't push you reach gate of hell, but me, I go push you inside.
An Igbo adage says, no mena na hujeji n'ọkụ, omene nuje gụrụ ya si mgbe ekwubere ka ekwube, mana o ruo mgbe ekwubere, omene nu wee baa ọfịa. O ruo mgbe ekwubere, omene nu wee baa ọfịa. Zimuzo kwenu! Ihe a na-atụrụ atụrụ bụ anwụrụ, atụrụ nwaanyị di ya ebebe. Yes. No matter how turgid the breast of a woman is, it must collapse in the fullness of time. My good people of Zimuzo, I love you all dearly. Honestly, words are not enough to express my heartfelt gratitude for your support. Once again, I thank all of you dearly for your individual and collective efforts to make sure that peace and justice return in the land of Zimuzo. I thank my chiefs and the vigilante in a special way, and also our exiled son, Tochukwu. Tochukwu, I have good news for you and the entire people of Zimuzo. With the help of DPO of Ihiaba Central Police Station, with the police commissioner, all the charges leveled against Tochukwu has been dropped. Tochukwu is free now to come back to the land of Zimuzo and his father's house to continue his life. I will also make sure that he is compensated adequately and handsomely for his troubles and losses. Once again, I thank you. Let me make one thing clear. The throne of Zimuzo land is the throne of every individual in Zimuzo. So bring your troubles to this throne, and I promise you, you shall go in peace, for you have sacrificed enough. Zimuzo kwenu!
kwaya isi ya koge jibulu ipata nkwalulu ngwela biugo isi ya koge jibulu obe mana manyana obe njona njosana isi jelu kotebu ma ife ya nebuga funu isi ya koge jibulu onye na-egbu mma biko tinyekwa mma gị n'ọgbọ isi ya koge jibulu onye na-agba mmadụ egbe kpachalụkwa anya